Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel WarFront Tech. Today's video dives deep into one of the most intense and controversial questions in modern warfare: laser weapons versus IED and the true battlefield impact of Israel's Iron Beam. This is not science fiction anymore. This is real, operational technology shaping real conflicts, real strategies, and real lives on the battlefield. For decades, improvised explosive devices, or WIDEs, have been one of the most effective asymmetric weapons in modern warfare. Cheap to build, easy to hide, devastating in effect, IED have challenged even the most advanced armies in the world. From Iraq and Afghanistan to Gaza, southern Lebanon, and beyond, IED have forced militaries to rethink movement, logistics, armor, and intelligence. Billions of dollars have been spent trying to counter them, yet they continue to evolve, adapt, and strike. IED are not standardized weapons, they are ideas turned into destruction. An IED can be buried under a road, hidden inside rubble, attached to a vehicle, or delivered by drones. Their strength lies in unpredictability. Unlike missiles or rockets, IED wait silently, creating constant fear and psychological pressure. Soldiers never know where the next threat is coming from, and that uncertainty slows operations and drains morale. Traditional counter-IED warfare relies heavily on intelligence and detection. Route clearance teams, electronic jammers, armored vehicles, drones, and human intelligence all work together, yet none can guarantee safety. Even the most advanced armies suffer losses because IED evolve faster than defenses. Every countermeasure creates a new adaptation. Now enter laser weapons, and specifically Israel's Iron Beam, a high-energy-directed energy weapon designed to destroy threats at the speed of light. No missile launches, no explosions, no interceptor debris. Just focused energy that heats targets until they fail. Iron Beam is designed to complement Iron Dome by targeting short-range rockets, mortars, and drones at a fraction of the cost. Each Iron Dome interceptor costs tens of thousands of dollars. Each Iron Beam shot costs little more than electricity. This completely changes the economics of defense. When enemies rely on cheap rockets or explosive devices to drain resources, Iron Beam flips the equation. Defense becomes sustainable. But can a laser really counter IED directly? The answer is limited. A buried explosive under concrete or asphalt cannot be neutralized by a laser without line of sight. Lasers need visibility. This is where hype must meet reality. Iron Beam is not a magic solution. However, modern IED warfare does not exist in isolation. It depends on networks, drones scout patrols, spotters relay information, vehicles transport explosives, command posts coordinate timing. All of these elements are exposed, and all of them are vulnerable to laser weapons. Iron Beam excels at eliminating drones. Surveillance drones used to track troop movement or trigger detonations can be destroyed instantly and silently. Without eyes in the sky, IED operators lose precision. Their attacks become less effective and more risky. In urban environments like Gaza, IED are often combined with rocket fire, mortar attacks, and drones to overwhelm defenses. Iron Beam intercepts these aerial threats, removing distractions and allowing ground forces to focus on detecting hidden explosives. Air control directly improves ground safety. Reaction time is another crucial factor. Laser weapons engage targets at light speed. There is no delay, no reload time, and no limited magazine. When integrated with advanced radar, electro-optical sensors, and AI systems, Iron Beam becomes part of a rapid response network that reduces the window of opportunity for attacks. Environmental conditions remain a challenge. Smoke, dust, fog, and rain can reduce laser effectiveness. Militants understand this and may exploit weather or battlefield chaos. IED thrive in confusion, and lasers demand clarity. This limitation ensures that traditional counter-IED methods remain essential. Power supply is another constraint. Iron beam requires significant energy. Sustained operations depend on stable power generation. Meanwhile, IED can be built with minimal resources. This asymmetry ensures that lasers enhance defense, but do not replace conventional measures. The psychological impact of iron beam is enormous. The silent destruction of rockets and drones sends a powerful message. It creates uncertainty among attackers. When aerial support assets are neutralized instantly, confidence collapses. This directly affects IED coordination and morale. Iron beam is not designed to fight alone. It is part of a layered defense strategy that includes Iron Dome, electronic warfare, cyber operations, intelligence dominance, and ground forces. Together, they create an environment where attackers face pressure at every stage. IED campaigns aim to exhaust armies over time. By reducing the effectiveness of supporting attacks, Iron Beam improves endurance. Fewer alarms, fewer interceptors used, and fewer disruptions mean greater operational stability. There is also a strategic dimension. Directed energy weapons signal technological superiority. They influence deterrence, alliances, and global military planning. Iron Beam positions Israel as a leader in next-generation defense technology. Critics argue that such systems push adversaries toward even more unconventional tactics. History supports this concern. Warfare evolves through countermeasures. As aerial threats become less effective, underground networks and cyber warfare may expand. Still, Iron Beam represents a shift toward sustainable defense. Unlimited shots, minimal cost, and precision engagement reduce the risk of being overwhelmed by mass attacks. Future battlefields may see laser systems mounted on vehicles, protecting convoys from drone-delivered IED or disabling explosive-laden vehicles before impact. Integration with AI and sensor fusion will further enhance effectiveness. Iron Beam's true strength lies in integration. Intelligence detects threats, sensors track them, AI analyzes patterns, and lasers execute instantly. Against IED networks, speed and coordination matter more than brute force. There is also a humanitarian aspect. Laser interceptions reduce collateral damage, no explosive debris falling into civilian areas. This is critical in dense urban zones where civilians are often caught between attackers and defenders. The future of warfare will combine lasers, autonomous systems, electronic warfare, and traditional forces. IED will adapt, but so will defenses. Iron Beam is not the end of asymmetric warfare, but it is a powerful evolution. In the end, laser weapons versus IED is not about one technology defeating another. It is about reshaping the battlefield. Iron Beam does not eliminate IED directly, but it limits their effectiveness, disrupts their networks, and raises the cost of attack. The true battlefield impact is measured in behavior change. When attackers hesitate, when coordination fails, when pressure increases, defense has already succeeded. This is modern warfare unfolding in real time. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and stay connected with WarFront Tech for more deep dives into the technologies shaping today's conflicts.